Hi everyone, welcome to the Cloud Institution. Cloud Institution is the best institution in the Bangalore. So in the previous video, we have covered the how to clone the repositories in your local system from GitHub. So also we have covered the how to config and also Git init. Okay. So in this video, we are going to see what is a Git add. Okay. So now, so first of all, what is a git add? Okay, so if we use this command, and what is the purpose of this git add? This command updates the what? The index using the current content found in the working tree to prepare the content stage for the next commit. Okay, so I'll explain it with a practical scenario to make you understand what is the purpose of this git add. So, for example, here it is there, it is telling like this command updates the index using the current content font. For example, I have modified something. Okay, I have modified newly something. So then I can just use the water. If I want to move into the water staging area for the commit. So then I have to use the water git add. Okay, so let's see with the practical session. So to understand more better way. So I'm currently you have to open the Git bash. So if you don't have a Git bash, please install it. So and create a like your own folder, or if you clone it, so it will create its own folder. Now what I'll do, let me see what all the things are in there. Okay, so my clone repository is here. So I'll just go to this folder. So cd git tutorial. So now I'm currently present in the Git tutorial repository. Now, so let me see something is there. Okay, there is a README file is there. So what I'll do, I'll modify this README file. Okay, how to modify using the command means vi. So if you are a first time user for the um, Linux operating system, so you have to use the vi uh, for the insertion or the modify the file. Okay, so read me dot md. Now you can see that there is some kind of file. The repository name is present. You can remove it or you can add the same as it is. Now, if I want to make it as a modification, I am typing it like nothing is happening. Okay, so nothing is happening because it is not in the insertion mode. So I have to press a I from our keyboard to make it as an insert mode. You can see. So you have to press the I from your keyboard, then it will become the insert mode. Now I can add the water. The value means I can modify this file. So hi, this is from Cloud Institution. Okay. So if I want to save this one, press on the escape button from your keyboard and shift plus colon WQ. Okay. So it will save it now. Now, so it is modified. Now I want to move into the what staging area. So what is the staging area? Like let me explain with the paint so to understand more better way. So let me open the paint. Okay. So there is like GitHub. This is the GitHub. Okay. So think that my GitHub is the GitHub and this is your local system. Local system. And what I'll do here is, so this is my local system means I have cloned it. How I have cloned? So using, there is a one repository called Git tutorial, right? So I have created the Git tutorial. So what I'll do, Git tutorial will make it is. This repository, I have cloned it. So using Git clone, right? So in the previous video, I have covered. If you haven't gone through it, you can go through it, how to clone it. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just clone it. Now using the what command. I have cloned it right yesterday. Now git clone. So once I cloned it, I have added that whatever the things is there, that git tutorial, that repository also will be present here. That means it will create the folder for that. Now, what I have done, I have added the one, like there is a readme file was there. So in that readme file, so I have modified, right? So readme file, I have modified. Okay, I have modified. So now there is a .git folder is also there, right? So here .git folder also will be there. So this is a local repository. Okay, so this is a global repository. This is a local repository. So it has to go from the local repository itself. Now, so once I go with the git add, okay, git add, okay, so file name. So what happens means it will move from your local system to a staging area. Okay, so it is called as a staging area. Okay, so this is a staging area. So it will be means it will be ready to go for the what a staging area. Let me make it as a staging area. It will be ready to move for the what a staging area. So when you add the water, git add. Okay, so to commit that one, whatever the file is there to commit, so it has to be moved into the first staging area. So when you use the git add, it will be moved to the staging area. So that is what it meant to be said. In the PPT also I have shown you that. What is that? So this command updates the index using the current content found. For example, I have modified if it is found, okay, so in that working tree, so it will prepare to make it will prepare the content staged for the next commit. Means it has, if I want to commit that one, it has to be in the staging area. That is what it meant to. Okay, so now, so let's see. I'll go with the git add. Okay, I haven't used, right? So git add file name. What is the file name? Readme.md. So I'll take this one, I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. Okay, now you can see that. So it will be moved into the staging area. The warning is you can leave that warning or you can ignore it. So this is the git add. If you see that git status, okay, nothing. So it is telling like changes to be committed. Again, I'll show you once again how to add it. So git, so vi readme file. Okay, so again I'm doing the readme file. I'm sorry. Vi readme file, and I'll copy it and I'll paste it. Okay, so enter, and again I'll insert something. So cloud institution is a best institution in Bangalore. Okay, so if you want to save it, escape, shift colon WQ. Okay, now if you see the git status, okay, status is used for to see the what is the status of that current file. Okay, so you can see it is showing that it has modified the what readme file. Now it is showing that also, so changes not staged for the commit. So I have to use the what git add. So that is what it meant to. In the previous, what it is telling, now when I use the git add, so after that I have checked the git status means it was showing that it has to go for the commit. Okay. So now you can go when it is modified and it is not in the staging area means you have to go with the git add. So I hope this video is helpful for you to understand the what is a git. In the next video, we will go with the git commit. Okay, so until this, stay tuned for the what is a git commit. And if you like this video, please hit on the like button and share it to your friends. If you have any doubts, you can comment it out and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.